Hello guys, this is Harshang Salvi, your host. You are watching Techno Blend, and today we are going to talk about the latest Vivo X60 Pro and X60 Pro Plus 5G. Both these smartphones are mainly focused on the camera part. Let's see and stay tuned in this video to watch what Vivo has brought in for the photographers in both these smartphones. If you haven't yet subscribed to my channel or new to this channel, please do like, share and subscribe. I will bring you latest technology videos before anyone else. Let's start with the video. Vivo has finally launched its X60 Pro and X60 Pro Plus 5G, which is co-engineered by Zeiss itself. So you're gonna get some exciting camera features for the photographers. But let's not talk about the camera at the beginning itself. Let's quickly move ahead and talk about the performance factor of both the smartphone as usual. Talking about the performance factor of both the smartphone, in X60 Pro you will get an 870 Snapdragon Qualcomm processor. On the other side, in X60 Pro Plus 5G you will get Qualcomm Snapdragon 888 processor. So don't worry, the performance is going to be sleek for you while you are playing game or using it for any other purpose like multitasking, doing your office work or anything else. Let's quickly move ahead and talk about the display part of both the smartphones. Talking about the display part of both these smartphones are coming up with same display, which is gonna be 6.56 inch of Super AMOLED display, which is gonna provide you with 120 Hz of refresh rate and 240 Hz of response rate. So I can't say that both the smartphones are only for the photographers. You can also use it for the gaming or multitasking purpose. It is gonna provide you with sleek experience, and you can play Free Fire, PUBG on high usage as well, because the processors are also capable enough to provide you with this sleek experience. Let's quickly move ahead and talk about the battery part of both the smartphones. Talking about the battery part on both these two smartphones are coming up with 4200 mAh of battery. The difference here is in both these two smartphones you will get different charge adapter. In X60 Pro you will get 33 volt of flash charge adapter, and X60 Pro Plus 5G you will get 55 volt of flash charge adapter. The charging time is gonna make difference in both these two smartphones. Let's quickly move ahead and talk about the most interesting and most awaited part about these two smartphones, which is gonna be camera part about these two smartphones. Let's quickly move ahead and talk about the camera part. Talking about the camera part on both these two smartphones, the most awaited part about X60 series. In X60 Pro you will get 48 megapixel of main camera with Sony IMX598 of sensor, with 13 megapixel of ultra wide lens, with 13 megapixel of pro portrait lens. On the other side, the X60 Pro Plus 5G is coming up with 50 megapixel of main camera with GN1 sensor, which is to improve the light quality in the images, with 48 megapixel of ultra wide gimbal camera, with 32 megapixel of pro portrait lens, with 8 megapixel of periscopic lens for zooming experience up to 60s. These are some rear camera features of both these two smartphones. Have a look. Talking about the video recording in both these two smartphones, in X60 Pro you can record video up to 4K, in X60 Pro Plus 5G you can record video up to 8K by 30 FPS. Talking about the secondary camera, the front camera on both these two smartphones, you will get 32 megapixel of punch hole selfie camera. Let's quickly move ahead and talk about some additional features on both these two smartphones. Talking about some additional features about X60 Pro and X60 Pro Plus 5G, both these two smartphones are gonna run on FunTouch OS 11.1, which is based on Android 11. Talking about the sensors provided in both these two smartphones, you will get all the sensors like in-display fingerprint sensor, gyroscope, accelerometer, proximity sensor, ambient light sensor, e-compass. In X60 Pro, which are gonna be laser focusing sensor and motor linear sensor. Let's quickly move ahead, talk about the variants provided in both these two smartphones. Talking about the variants provided, in X60 Pro you will get two variants which are going to be 8GB RAM and 128GB with 12GB RAM and 256GB of storage. On the other side, in X60 Pro Plus 5G you will get only one variant which is going to be 12GB RAM and 256GB of storage. Let's quickly move ahead and talk about the colors provided in both these two smartphones. Talking about the colors provided in both these two smartphones, in X60 Pro you will get two colors which are going to be shimmer blue and midnight black. On the other side, the X60 Pro plus 5G, you will only get one color which is going to be emperor blue. Let's quickly move ahead and talk about the inbox content of both these two smartphones. Talking about the inbox content of both these two smartphones, you will get the respective smartphone, which is either gonna be Vivo X60 Pro or X60 Pro plus 5G, with 3.5mm jack of earphone, with Type-C cable adapter, with some documentation, Type-C to USB cable, power adapter, SIM ejector and a protective case. This is all about today's video. What do you think about X60 Pro and X60 Pro plus 5G? Are you all photographers happy or not? Please mention below down in the comment box. Are you going for this smartphone or not? If you haven't yet subscribed to my channel or new to this channel, please do like, share and subscribe. I will bring you latest technology videos before anyone else. Till then, tata, bye bye.